In this lesson, we are gonna learn state verbs, or the second name, non-continuous verbs. Please avoid ing form using state verbs. In the end of this video, we are learning some exceptions. Let's get started.
Belong. Consist. Contain. Have. Include. Involve. Own. Possess. Depend. Feel. Hear. Look. Please. See. Seem. Smell. Sound. Taste. Touch. Admire. Adore. Appreciate. Covet. Desire. Detest. Dislike. Enjoy. Hate. Hope. Like. Love. Mind. Need. Prefer. Respect. Value. Want. Wish. Agree. Believe. Deny. Disagree. Doubt. Forget. Imagine. Impress. Know. Mean. Promise. Realize. Recognize. Remember. Satisfy. Suppose. Surprise. Think. Understand. Appear. Astonish. Be. Concern. Contain. Cost. Depend. Deserve. Fit. Influence. Involve. Keep. Lack. Matter. Measure. Owe. Require. Resemble. Wait.
Some state verbs have continuous tenses, but there is difference in meaning.
We have a big house. Have equals possess. We're having lunch now. Are having equals are eating. Idiom.
Some idioms with have include have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Have a bath, shower, party, swim. Have fun, trouble, difficulty. Have a dream, experience, accident. Have a baby.
Can you see that star in the sky? See equals perceive with eyes. I'm seeing Nazar tonight. Am seeing equals am meeting. The dish smells good. Smells equals has the smell. The dog is smelling its food. Is smelling equals is sniffing. I think she is Ukrainian. Think equals believe. I'm thinking about my wedding. Am thinking equals am considering. My brother is nice. Character, permanent state. My brother is being nice. Behavior, temporary situation. Nazar looks tired. Look equals appear. Nazar is looking at some documents. Is looking equals is studying. A new carpet feels soft. Feels equals has a soft texture. Mother is feeling her son's forehead. Is feeling equals is touching. The food tastes awful. Tastes equals has an awful flavor. I'm tasting the food. Am testing the flavor of. These new jeans fit him perfectly. Fit equals it is his size. He is fitting a new lock on the door. Is fitting equals is attaching. He appears to be rested. Appears equals seems. He is appearing in a new TV show. Is appearing equals is taking part. Study English free. Subscribe.